Stripes, Spots or Diamonds, a book about animal patterns, written by Diana Stockland, illustrated by Todd Uren. Pattern adaptations. Adapting is a great way to survive. Patterns are one way that animals adapt to their environment. So how do patterns help animals live in the wild? Some animals use their patterns to hide from their predators. Others use their patterns to sneak up on their prey. There are even animal patterns that scare other animals. Find out why some animals have patterns and what they do with those wild spots or stripes. Zebra. The black and white stripes zigzag and zoom across the plains. The stripes look blurry as the zebras run. The black and white stripes help the zebra stand out so that other animals stay away. When the zebra is with its herd, all of the stripes make it hard for a hungry lion to see the animals separately. They look like one big animal. Did you know that each zebra has its own unique pattern of stripes? No two zebras are exactly alike. A Siberian tiger. Sneaky, shadowy stripes hide in the tall grass. The Siberian tiger quietly waits. This big cat uses its stripes to catch food. The stripes hide the tiger as it moves towards its meal. Animals can't see the tiger in the tall grass and trees. The tiger suddenly pounces from out of the shadows. Gotcha! All tigers have stripes. Depending on where they live, the stripes may be darker or lighter. Some tigers are white with black stripes. The ladybird has round black spots cover a bright red back. Ladybug spots are easy to spy. The ladybird uses these marks and colours as a warning sign to protect itself. Predators know that the bold spots mean that ladybugs are not a tasty meal. Not all ladybugs have spots. Some are just one solid colour. You get them red, yellow and orange, and in some places ladybugs are known as ladybirds. This is a leopard. Stunning spots sit high in a tree. The leopard looks down from its perch. These spots help the leopard hide while it waits for prey. The sunlight shines through the leaves. It makes shadows that look like leopard spots. The leopard blends in with the shadows. Did you know that black panthers are leopards too? Their skin and fur have lots of dark pigment. This makes it very difficult to see the panther's spots. Diamondback rattlesnake. Dusty diamonds slither through the sandy desert. The diamondback rattlesnake shakes its tail. This dry, scaly creature uses the diamonds on its back to blend into rugged surroundings. This camouflage helps the diamondback hide from prey and escape predators. A rattlesnake can blend in so well that predators don't see it. The rattlesnake uses its rattling as a warning to predators to get out of its territory. The pineapple fish. Yellow wedges wiggle through the water. The pineapple fish swims onto the scene. The fish's black-edged scales act like body armour. This pattern of tiny plates is tough and sharp. Each scale ends out with a pointy spine. Not many predators want to tackle the pineapple fish. Did you know that the lower jaw of the pineapple fish glows orange during the day and bluey green at night. We all know this animal, it's a peacock. Circles of green and blue scatter on coloured feathers. The finely feathered peacock spreads his fan. This bird uses these colourful feathers to attract a mate. When a female arrives, the peacock lifts his tail to lift the dazzling dots into a large fan. If the female is impressed, she will call him as a mate. Female peacocks are called peahens. They don't have fancy patterns, colours or fans. Being plain helps them when they hide in their nests. This is the blue-ringed octopus. Bright blue circles flash in the dark water. The blue-ringed octopus warns a predator. You can't always see the blue rings on this tiny sea creature. The octopus only flashes its bright blue circles when it feels threatened or is about to attack. The rest of the time, the blue-ringed octopus hides its pattern. The blue-ringed octopus is very small. The body of an average adult is just about the size of a golf ball, so it's about 2 inches in diameter. This is the painted turtle. A pretty pattern of lines covers a tough shell. The painted turtle rests by the pond. Painted turtles carry protection on their backs. Their shells have separate sections. Each section is part of a pattern that makes the shell harder to break. When a predator attacks, the tiny turtle tucks itself inside. The different shields that make up a turtle shell are called scutes. The shell usually has about 54 scutes. Now, here is a little quiz for you. Do you remember? Point to the picture of the animal described in each question. Question 1. Females love the bright circles on my tail. These pretty feather patterns help me find a mate. Who am I? My diamonds aren't for jewellery. They help me blend into the dry desert around me. Who am I? And the last question, my stripes are sneaky. I hide in tall grass and my prey doesn't see me. Who am I? Now some fun facts. Siberian tigers are the biggest, strongest cats in the whole wide world. Ladybugs eat aphids, or green flies and black flies, which are little insects that harm plants. In this way, the ladybugs are very helpful to farmers and gardeners. To hide from predators, a painted turtle might bury itself in the mud. Baby peacocks are called pea-chicks. All peacocks, male and female, are called peafowl. The bite of a blue-ringed octopus can kill a person in 15 minutes. Wow, I didn't know that one. Now, this is the glossary. It tells us what different words mean. So camouflage, a disguise that keeps an animal from being seen, or markings that make an animal look like something else. Herd, a group of animals. Organ, a body part that does a certain job like a heart. Pattern, shapes or colours that repeat in some order. Pigment, a substance that gives an animal its colour. Predator, animals that hunt and eat other animals. Prey, an animal that is hunted by another animal for food. And last of all, territory, the special area in which an animal lives. I hope you enjoyed today's book about stripes, spots or diamonds.